Namaskar dear students, prayers to Ma Sharda. This is very auspicious day, Janmashtami. Greetings to all. May Lord Krishna bless you. So, electrostatic potential and capacitance. Okay, illustration 2.6. A molecule has dipole moment 10 raised to minus 29 coulomb into meter, polarized in field of 10 raised to 6 volt per meter. Okay, polarized means vector P and vector E are in same direction. I can draw like this. See, this is electric field and P is in same direction. So angle between P and E is 0. In other words, we can draw like this. Okay, electric dipole moment is in direction minus to plus, that is in direction of vector E. This is external field of 10 raised to 6 volt per meter, and this is molecule having dipole moment 10 raised to minus 29 coulomb into meter. If direction is changed by 60 degree, okay, here it is 0 degree, theta 1 is 0 degree, I have written somewhere, okay, theta 1 is 0 degree here, then it is moved by 60 degree, okay, 60 degree in this direction, making 60 degree with this, suppose. For that we have to apply force, okay, and then we have to find out the heat released. Why heat released? Because the field will oppose, okay. So theta 2 is 60 degree and 1 mole is actually 6.0225 into 10 raised to 23 we can take, but they have given 6 into 10 raised to 23 as approximate value. Okay, so dipole moment of each molecule is 10 raised to minus 29 coulomb into meter. Say it as small p. Here I have not drawn vector on it because this is magnitude. Okay, the total dipole moment of 1 mole of molecules. Now how many molecules in 1 mole? Equals to Avogadro number. So Na into P. Na is given 6 into 10 raised to 23. So 6 into 10 raised to 23 into P, that is 10 raised to minus 29. So that is 6 into 10 raised to minus 6 coulomb into meter. Okay. Then electric field is 10 raised to 6 volt per meter. Theta 1 is 0 degree, theta 2 is 60 degree. Okay. So let us find initial potential energy. We know that it is equals to minus Pe cos theta, potential energy. So here it is minus Pe cos theta 1. Okay, we have to consider capital P, okay, because we are discussing about 1 mole of molecules. So capital P is 6 into 10 raised to minus 6. So minus 6 into 10 raised to minus 6. Electric field is 10 raised to 6 and cos 0. Okay, so it is minus 6 joule. Then final potential energy, so we have to put theta 2 as 60 degree here. So minus 6 into 10 raised to minus 6 into 10 raised to 6 into cos 60. So this will be cancelled. Minus 6 into 1 by 2, that is minus 3 joule. Okay. So change in potential energy equals to final minus initial, that is minus 3 minus minus 6, that is plus 3 joule. Change is positive. That means potential energy, okay, is increased. Earlier it was minus 6 joule, it has become minus 3 joule. Okay, so now it will try to again get its original position, original orientation. Okay, so that means during this process field has opposed the rotation. Okay, so that much heat will be released. So heat released equals to 3 joule. Okay, take a screenshot.